Are you feeling the pressure with just 10 days left for UGC NET exam? Take a deep breath. You still have time to revise smartly and effectively. In this video, I will walk you through a focused, high-yield 10-day strategy that can help you boost your score and walk into the exam with confidence. Let's be honest. UGC NET exam isn't about reading everything. It's about knowing what to revise, how to test yourself, and where to focus your energy. In the next few minutes, friends, I'll give you a practical day-by-day revision plan for both paper 1 and paper 2 with smart tips, mock test strategies, and a winning mindset. Let's know the focus area for this plan. First of all, high weightage topics. Second is revision notes. Third is multiple choice questions and its practice. Then fourth is mock test analysis. Friends, before we dive into the schedule, let's quickly revise the structure of UGC NET exam. First of all, paper 1, general paper on teaching and research aptitude, 50 questions for 100 marks. Paper 2, subject specific paper, 100 questions for 200 marks. Total timing is 3 hours. Both these papers are compulsory for all. So we need a strategy that balances both. What would be our 10-day plan then? Now, let's divide our 10-day revision journey into 3 different phases. First phase includes days 1 to 4, rapid revision of core topics. In these first 4 days, friends, we focus on revising the core topics quickly but thoroughly. For paper 2, your own subject, for us it is English, revise 2 to 3 important units per day. Focus on previous year trends and high weightage topics. For paper 1, cover one core topic per day like teaching aptitude, research aptitude, ICT and data interpretation. Your daily time allocation would be 3 hours for paper 2, 2 hours for paper 1 and 1 hour for solving different MCQs. Use mind maps, color-coded notes and flashcards for quick recall. Focus on building clarity, not perfection. Phase 2 includes days 5 to 7. This is your most critical phase, friends. Start your day with a full-length mock test that includes both paper 1 and paper 2. Then spend time reviewing your answers. Create a notebook where you write down every mistake and revise that concept again and again. Also solve previous year's question papers and identify patterns given in those questions. Remember, mock tests are not for marks, they are for mastery. Use them to identify weak areas that you have and fix them immediately before the exam. Now, phase number 3, days 8 to 10. We have final revision plus confidence building in this time. These last 3 days are for polishing what you already know. Revise only your short notes and one-pagers. Don't start anything new now. It's not the right time. Do one mock test a day, but go deep into your analysis. Also start practicing in a stimulated exam environment. Use online mock platforms or OMR sheets to get used to the pattern. Stay calm and focused on accuracy and overspeed. If we talk about daily routine sample 4:30 to 5:30, here's a suggested 10 hours daily schedule. You can tweak as per your needs. 2 hours for paper 1, 3 hours for paper 2, 2 hours for MCQs and previous year's questions, 2 hours for full mock test available online, 1 hour for reviewing errors and revising tough concepts. Take short breaks every 50 minutes, friends. Avoid multitasking, it kills your productivity. Now it's time for bonus tips for success. Stick to one book or resource per subject now. Don't confuse yourself with a new material. Use online quizzes and revision videos to reinforce learning. Now switch off social media notifications during your study hours. This is mandatory. Sleep at least 6 to 7 hours. Your brain needs rest to retain information. Stay hydrated, eat light, Meditate for mental clarity. Remember this quote, friends. Small, focused efforts and each day bring big results on exam day. My final words, you are more prepared than you think. Stick to this plan, stay focused and revise smart. You are not competing with anyone else. Just aim to give your best performance. Believe in your preparation and walk into that exam hall with confidence. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with your study group and subscribe for more UGC NET tips. All the best. You have got this.